Hi everyone, I'm George Noujaim, Associate Broker with Dave Jones Realty, and welcome to our weekly market update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Waterbury, Connecticut market, and things are heating up this spring. Right now, there are 62 single-family homes available, but here's what really stands out. A staggering 88 additional homes are already under contract. That tells us one thing: buyers are active and homes are moving fast. On top of that, we've got 4 open homes scheduled for this weekend, giving buyers a great opportunity to get in and see what's out there before it's gone. So whether you're thinking about buying your next home or considering selling, this is a market you don't want to miss. If you have any questions or want to take advantage of these conditions, contact me today. I'd be happy to help you navigate it through it all. Let's make your next move a smart one.